name is Ryan Hughes and I'm Head of Active Portfolios here at AJ Bell. I'm here to talk to you today about one of our favourite funds, the JP Morgan US Equity Income Fund. JP Morgan US Equity Income is a US equity fund that looks to deliver income whilst also delivering long-term capital growth and looks to outperform the S&P 500 index. With a focus on income, it's intended that the fund consistently yields 1% more than the index. JP Morgan are one of the best-known investment companies in the world and have been operating in the US for well over 100 years. They have been actively managing US equities for over 50 of those. The fund is managed by Claire Hart, who has run the strategy from its inception, and she's supported by a large team of analysts who look for stock ideas right across the US market. The investment process looks to identify companies that have the ability to generate good levels of cash which can translate into earnings growth. The team use a combination of quantitative screens and qualitative analysis to narrow down the investment universe, focusing significantly on key characteristics such as high barriers to entry, a clear long-term business strategy and conservative accounting. The portfolio has a clear income remit and therefore only invests in companies that yield above 2%. The result is a portfolio of 90 to 100 companies that is well diversified across different economic areas. The team is wary of overpaying for companies and therefore typically focuses away from highly valued companies that are unpredictable, instead preferring stable companies that can generate consistent cash flow. In our opinion, the fund benefits from a very experienced fund manager that is backed by a very large team of analysts to assist in idea generation. The investment process is clearly articulated and consistently applied with a strong focus on income generation, meaning this fund can be used for both income and growth investors who want exposure to high quality equities. On the favourite funds page of our website, you can find a simple one-page AJ Bell report on this fund, which shows you some of the key information about the fund as well as our opinion on it. We hope this short video helps you with your investment research and helps you choose investments that are right for you. The AJ Bell favourite fund list has been designed for people that like to choose their own investments, and you should do your own research to ensure that any fund you select is appropriate to your attitude to risk, your financial circumstances and objectives. The favourite fund list isn't a personal recommendation. If you're unsure about any of this, please speak to a financial advisor. Thank you very much for watching.